Raise your hand if you're familiar with this scenario. The front of your vehicle full of bugs and dirt from miles on the freeway. Or maybe this scenario, you drive through construction zones which result in road tar from your tires getting on your car. Or maybe your thing is performance, and a trip to the drag strip results in rubber getting thrown onto your rear quarters. Well, there's a product that can help alleviate all those common messes on vehicles. We'll tell you the details in this episode of AMSOIL Garage. Hey guys, I'm Greg Jones for Engine Builder, and today we're letting you in on a little secret that could save you some headache when it comes to cleaning your vehicle. If your vehicle has bugs and dirt all over the front of it, or maybe it has road tar around the wheels and sides of the vehicle, or maybe it has rubber plastered on the quarter panels. AMSOIL has a product you can spray on those surfaces called Mudslinger. Once you apply Mudslinger to your vehicle, the amount of effort required to remove those substances is basically blasting it off with a hose. Sounds pretty good, right? AMSOIL's Mudslinger is aimed more at the off-road market for things such as side-by-sides, four-wheelers, and dirt bikes, but people find unique uses for products that may not be what it was intentionally designed for. No matter the vehicle type, if you hose down your vehicle with Mudslinger and then take a microfiber to buff out the high spots, it leaves a layer of film behind. Once Mudslinger is applied, the next time you get bugs, dirt, rubber, or road tar on your vehicle, a simple wash will take those right off. For those reasons, a lot of racing guys who go to the drag strip will spray their vehicle's rear quarters with Mudslinger before a race because you get melted rubber from either the tires or the stick from the track, and it's a pain in the ass to get off. Well, not with this stuff. You can just wipe it off. Now you might be asking, how long does Mudslinger's effectiveness last? Or when do you have to reapply it? The answer depends on how often you're washing your vehicle. The soap will try to pull it off, so if you're washing your vehicle all the time, you'll probably get a couple washes out of it, and then it'll strip that Mudslinger off and you'll have to reapply. But if it's long periods between soap and water, it'll last a long time. Well, that does it for this episode of AMSOIL Garage. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Visit AMSOIL.com for all your vehicle's fluid needs, and for more engine content, visit EngineBuilderMag.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.